28 premature babies that have been evacuated from Al-Shifa hospital were transferred to Egyptian hospitals through Rafah crossing to receive proper medical care. 11 of them are in critical condition. Meanwhile, the fate of more than 250 patients in Al-Shifa hospital remains unknown. Israeli tanks attacked the Indonesian hospitals in Gaza in the middle of the night using artillery shells, targeted the surgical department in the facility, wounded doctors and killed at least 12 Palestinians.
Here I'm in northern Israel, 10 kilometers away from the Lebanese border, as the Israel Defense Forces said that it had stepped up overnight airstrikes and ground forces began to maneuver deeper into the Gaza Strip. Situation in the Lebanese border is also escalating. On Monday, a base of the Israeli army was extensively damaged in the bordering area following a Hezbollah rocket attack from Lebanon. Statements of the Israeli army said its artillery struck several locations in Lebanon.
Now let's take a look at the latest development in the region on Monday. An important move is that regional countries have significantly increased their diplomatic mediation efforts.